All right, good evening everyone. This is Tina, hello. And I am going to be making chewy chocolate chip oatmeal cookies from this recipe. Just want to go over very quickly what we need for the chocolate chip cookies. We need some butter, light brown sugar, some eggs, vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, baking soda. It says salt, but the butter has salt, so I think we'll use no salt today. 3 cups of oats and some chocolate chips. Okay, so please watch while I prepare the cookies and let's learn how to make these together. So the total cooking time is going to be about 12 minutes in the oven, and I'm really excited to try these today with you. So let's look at step 1. Step 1, we need to preheat the oven to 165 degrees. Okay, so now we have preheated the oven to 165 degrees. The next thing we need to do is mix our ingredients in a large bowl. So in our kitchen today we have a very large bowl. Very, very large, and I'll show you. Big bowl. Very big bowl. Doesn't fit on the camera, it's so big. Okay, so this is our bowl. And I have a scale. You can see I have a scale here, so I can weigh the weight of the ingredients. Okay, put my bowl there. Okay, set to 0. Okay, so step number 2. In a large bowl, cream together the butter, brown sugar, and until smooth. So first we need to put in the butter. 1 cup of butter, or 225 grams. Today's butter, this is the butter I'm using. You can see our butter has a little salt in it, so we will not put any salt in the cookies. And this butter is 200 grams. So we are just going to open this and put it into the bowl. And then I'm going to need I will need another 25 grams from the other stick of butter. First, let's get this butter and put it in the bowl. Perfect, 200 grams. Now we need another 25 grams. I'm going to add some extra butter from this one. So, I'm going to show you. I'm going to try and take 25 grams from this butter. So let's see. I know this is 100, which is half. So this would be about 10 each. And I want 25. So maybe about here. Should be about 25 grams of butter. I'm going to cut this butter and place it in the bowl. Let's see if this is exactly 25 grams. Oh, it's too much. This is too much butter. Let's cut this in half. Oops. Let's see. How is that? Perfect. 25. Absolutely perfect the first time. So I have to mix this butter. It will be easier if I can cut it into smaller pieces so it will be easy to mix. This is a very big piece of butter. I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. Cut this into smaller pieces. And I'm not sure if we can find a mixer here at this kitchen, but I think there should be one. If not, I will mix it by hand. When I was a little girl, my mother didn't have a mixer. She mixed everything with a wooden spoon. So I got this wooden spoon. Maybe we can use this to mix the butter. Okay? So we need to mix the butter and the sugar together. So next we want to add some brown sugar. And I have a pack of brown sugar here. And we need 300 grams of brown sugar. I'm going to set this to 0. And then I'm going to put 300 grams of sugar into the bowl. Just start pouring. I'm going to make this a little bigger. How about a whisk? Whisk behind there's one in the drawer. Yep. I'm going to put some sugar in here until the scale says 300. Oh, almost. A little more. A little more. Oh, too much. So, should take a little bit out. Let's see. Can we get it to be 300? Well, let's see. 300? 301. Okay, close enough. 301 is good. Great. Now we have our butter and our sugar. And I'm going to cream the butter and the sugar together. So cream means to mix until it's creamy, right? So we want the butter to be soft, and the butter and the sugar will mix together until it's very creamy. So let's start mixing. I'm using a whisk. This is a whisk of a nice large whisk. Now we have to use lots of energy and muscles to mash the butter. You know, like mashed potatoes, mash butter. I'm mashing the butter so that I can mix it with the sugar and make it creamy.